Good morning, party people. Need to give you guys a travel update, especially you folks that are expecting to see me soon. Monday, let me back up. About a week or two ago, when I was replacing the fender on Panther, probably 2 weeks ago, I seen a nail right in the middle of the tread. Man, gotta get that fixed. So I went on a run to Chicago, came back, had to put air in the tire once. Was losing a little bit of air, maybe a PSI a day. Took the car to Sam's Club and discovered that most of the Sam's Club's tire shops are shut down. You can't get new tires. They're not replacing tires. They are doing minimum service. I don't even think you can get them rotated and balanced. Anyway, I talked those guys into repairing the tire. Pulled the wheel off the car, unmounted the tire, patched it. I think they patched it from the inside and then plugged it. I didn't understand that. Why you patching and plugging? You could have just plugged it without taking the tire. Anyway, a few days later, I swing by Nordic, which was Monday, and William said, man, that tire's low. Checks it, 19 PSI. Almost too low to move the car. So, airs the tire up to 36. Man, put about 32. He put up 36. I noticed that another tire has a bubble on it. I pinched the tire on the curb over at Andrew's place, checking on Red Baron. So now I got two bad tires. One that's flat, another one with a bubble. I called Sam's Club, several of them around the Cincinnati area. I finally hit one in Florence, Kentucky that's supposed to have the tire shop open. Call up there on hold or whatever for a half hour or so. Finally get somebody. The guys in the tire shop are busy. Took my name and number. They're going to call me back. This is Monday afternoon. Tuesday was a blur. I don't even know what happened. I finished the work on Little Red, the wheel hub and stuff, pulled the engine out of the green car, did a couple other things, distracted, running around. Wednesday morning I wake up, tire's flat. So it's losing 5-10 PSI a day. I had to get that fixed. And I got the bubble on the other one. So it's Wednesday, I need to get these tires fixed because I can't hit the road with flat tires, with bad tires. I'm just not going to do it. Towing, overload, all that stuff. Not going to do it. So I wrap up some things here, go over to Sam's Club in Florence. I get there about 3:15. Tire shop is closed. They're working from 10 to 3. Abbreviated hours. Must be nice. So nobody there that can help me. They don't have the tires in stock. I think I need 2 replacement tires. So here I am in Cincinnati Thursday, day I'm supposed to leave. I ain't going nowhere with 2 bad tires, so I'm going to have to ride this out, get these tires fixed on these cars. As soon as I get those tires fixed, I'll go live, heading east. I hope this is not inconveniencing people, but I am coming that way to help. If your help is not urgently needed, I will be there to help you. So I'm headed DC area. Then I will probably be around Fredericksburg, Richmond. Then I'm going to go up to head north, Maryland, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, up into New York, White Plains area, Connecticut maybe. Then I'll head back down south. So if I missed you heading north, I can catch you coming back down towards the Atlanta area. So stay in touch and I'll help you when I can. Also, I got a full day of activity going on. I had to do some stuff on Dark Cherry, do a couple things on Panther. I really need to do the timing belt on Panther before I leave. I got to go check on Red Baron, having charging issues, and we need to install those green injectors back in and try to get a tune for it. So I may not be leaving Cincinnati for another 2 days. We'll see. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the day, coming to the junkyard. I was going to pull windshield, but I forgot my windshield tool. So I'm going to get a mass airflow sensor for a person or two, test them out on Panther, and get back to Cincinnati. This is Victory Auto Wreckers. God dang it, got an ant or a spider on me. Spider. Victory Auto Wreckers in, what do you call it? Chicago area, Bensonville, right by the airport. What is that, security camera deal? Woohoo! How about that? Anyway, I'm gonna grab a mass airflow sensor, get out of here. This place has great prices, but man, they turn their cars over quick. Like 10 days. You don't get it in 10 days, you ain't getting it. 'Cause that car is gone. This is one where I got that manual swap from. And they got a inventory on the website, but you gotta check it. I don't know if it notifies you anymore. So let's see if this 850 is still down here. Get this mass airflow sensor for this guy and get out of here. I got a 960 down here, but man, my 850 is gone already. Look like it's got some keyed bars here. Key may be in the glove box, I don't know. Seats are in good shape. I think this is a 96, the thing says. That gunmetal gray. But my 850's gone. I wasn't getting that windshield anyway. Which means I can't get that mass airflow sensor. So I may have to stop at a yard on my way out. Blue Island or something. Blue Island has a few P80 cars. So let me get out of here, go back to the hotel and check out. Look like a 940 here. Or a 740. 740 GL. Probably like a 91 or something. See what it says. 90. Guess that's gonna be it for me. Come back in. Check this 850. I'm looking for mass airflow sensor. Also, it had some nice wheels when it got here a week ago. That's a week ago. Looking for ABS module and see if it's got any, what's those things called? And sway bars on it. Let's check it out. Them wheels are gone. Mass airflow sensor there. Heck, it was a wagon. No anti-sway bar. These might be the wheels that was on it. Nothing special. Those are too small for me. Look like they put a new heater core in it, but damage was probably already done. Black trim, which is nice. Don't have need or time for that. Let me get this mass airflow sensor, see if it has tracks. Yep, it's got tracks. I had to come back and grab the module for it. ABS module. Doo-doo-doo. Here I am, folks. And this is why I hang out at Nordic Motors with Will, man. He got all the tricks. This tool here is to test your brake fluid to see if it has...
It's contaminated with
too much water in the fluid. Yeah. Now, the owner's manual tells you to change your brake fluid every couple of years because it should get water every year, and you don't want too much water in there. And this tool here can check that for you. Especially important if you have a standard transmission, because that'll eat up your slave cylinder. Mine is nice and dark. We turned it on. We're going to stick it down in the fluid. Bam. It's failed. I need to change my brake fluid immediately. And I haven't changed it in about 3 years. So
yeah, usually it's 40,000, 2 years, depending. 40,000.
So 150,000 is going to be a limit.
Well,
all right. So
Volvo recommends every 40,000.
All right.
They're new ones at least.
All right. So find these things. Check your brake fluid. Probably get them on Amazon for 12 cents, or you can get them at Napa for $42. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.